Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Vivo. First of all, go into device settings. Now scroll down, choose lock screen and wallpaper, tap on themes and select one of the available ones. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and select apply. Now we wait, and as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by going into the same settings, tapping on themes over here and choosing default. Remember to select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!